Hey family, this is Darlene. Wanted to share something with you really quick. The Facebook group page, Jewelry by BDK Creator Zone. And it'll be a place where creators can share their creations, ideas, resources for other members to utilize. A zone for creative connections. So, what we're going to do, if you want to be a part of the group, there's a running format that I would like for us to have. So, when you post your pictures, if you can just kind of give a little information about that picture, the inspiration for it, if you want to. If not, you can just go ahead and just kind of put the picture and, just if it has a name, give us the name. And if you have like any type of resources, that means like buying beads from anywhere, supplies from anywhere, that would be really cool too. So you can see I pretty much already got it set up. I went ahead and what I'm going to be doing on my side as the admin is I'm going to be putting what I call creators currencies. So it'll basically be some little tips. Like with this one, scale your pieces up. What's better than a beautiful necklace? A beautiful necklace with the perfect earrings and bracelet to match. And then I'll tell you to be sure to make be sure to make and sell sets. And I've learned that customers generally want matching everything. If they can get the earrings, the necklace, and the bracelets, I mean, they are gung ho on it. They buy it as quick as you could make it and put it out to sale. So that's going to be my part as the admin. And I'll be putting business information, just a little bit of everything on here that I think will help us as small businesses and creators. So I'm going to post the link to the Facebook group in the description area for um, for this page, and you are welcome to come over and begin, posting your creations, your ideas, resources where we can find supplies, just really good stuff. And I'm your host, so that would be me, Darlene. I am your admin person, right? So that'll be me, and I'm going to be posting tips on here like probably every day, like with this one, not wanting to do any outside vending, no worries. Consider wholesaling on different platforms. So I put a couple of platforms. I put fair.com, and then I gave the link, so just in case you want to apply. And just remember, on fair.com you would have to have a website. That I think that's the only one of the guidelines they want is you to have a guideline, have a website. Also, Tandra.com is a really good one where you can sell wholesale. You don't have to have nine of an item. You can sell individual items, if that's the way you want to do it. Also, I put on here that I have that the business of cost structures and business, price your jewelry, successful business checklist, worksheet, just a lot of good stuff. I think it's about 8 pages, maybe, but it's really powerful, packed with a lot of good information. Okay, Darlene Knight for Jewelry by BDK, and also Jewelry by BDK Creator Zone. Okay, so this page is up. And if you are on Facebook, let's see, just go here. You can go here, and I will. I think I got it to where I could accept you in or something. I might have made it. Yes, it's a private group. So just go ahead and go here, and then we can just start sharing those resources and, those beautiful pictures from items that we're making and all that good stuff. Okay. And thank you for being a part of the Jewelry by BDK Circle. I absolutely positively appreciate you all. Okay. Darling Knight, we'll talk soon.